Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this occasion, I would like to do some TOTD. So normal TOTD, teacher of the day. So I'll just demonstrate my project, and I'm also teach about my project also. I'll tell you guys about something in my project and how to make it. So the first, if you guys see in here, I'm still loading. So it's a normal loading because my internet is a little bit broken, and I just start to explain it. So in here I explain about Codular. So what is Codular? Codular uh, is some website that we could use it for make some app, some a mobile app, and same as like a Figma, but we can also make the design, and we can also code the website. I mean the app. And in here I made some radio app. So I'll just show to you guys this my application. So this was the this was my project, and this was the page if we open our project. So in here there's the palette. So what is the function of the palette? So the same things like Canva, we can take some element or some things like shape or the others from the palette. So we can take like image, and then we can take like space and others. And I'll explain to you guys later what I use, what kinds of features that I use in here. So the first, how do I make this like Islamify in here? So if you guys just make some project, its name's not Islamify, but its name Screen One, because it's just a normal template. And then how do I change to be to Islamify? So you guys just go to the Screen One in here, in components, and then after that you guys could see the properties, and then just scroll down until you guys seeing uh yeah, this one, title. So and after that, if you guys was write anything in here, I just try to write something, it will change like that also, like you guys want it. But in here I'll just write Islamify, because that was my project name or my app name. And then in here, it was there was the background. Yeah, the background I take it from the internet. You guys could search the background in anything, any platforms like Pinterest, or you guys just search in the Google, and then going to the image, and until you guys could see any good background. And this one I'll take it from the Pinterest. And after that, there is some element from the palette, is space. So what the space function? So it's about for making our design in the UI layouting is good. So we make some space from the other thing. So if we put some image in the middle, so we could make some space for making the layouting was good. And it's looking for a lot of people looking for our app is good. And then next there was the image in here, but because my internet is lagging, I'm sorry, I couldn't show it to you guys, my image. So it must be my image in here in the middle. It's the image about the title of the sound. Yeah, it's about Anas. I make some design in here in the middle. It's about Anas thumbnail, something's like thumbnail, but it's for some sound like in the Spotify. And then I put in the middle. It's because I'm following the others, or I take the reference from the others app like Apple Music and Spotify and the others. Then after that, it's like usual. I said before, after we put something, we need to put some space for making good. And then in here, I put some text. And how do we take the text? The first, you guys can going to the search and then search label. Yeah, it's for we make some text. And after that, you guys just can drag and drop to the inside of the font, and then you guys can writing something in here in the properties, and then go to text and then write something. Yeah, it will show in here, but if it not showing, yeah, you guys need to change the colors, then it will show. Yeah, something's like that. And after that, there is some label in here. There is the Anas because the sound was Anas Murotal. And after that, there's the Al Mushaf Al Mujawad in here. Is because I just following where I take my Murotal, and there's some description like this in the Murotal, so I just put this one, and then I put some space for making it far from the forward button and then pause button and then start button. And after that, I put some horizontal arrangement. It's for making me easier for doing some layouting or putting my button in here. So I just put the horizontal arrangement, and then after I put the horizontal arrangement, I put my button. The first is pause button in here, but it was not get load because it was lagging. And then there was the space, and then there's the play button, and then there's the forward button. Yeah, same as like a normal radio apps. And then uh, why do I take horizontal arrangement? It's because I want to make it going to right and left, but if I want to make it going to up and down, I take the vertical arrangement. It's for making me easier for layouting. Okay, so maybe that's all. Hey, and don't forget to put some player and notifier in here. And then this is the thing that we need to use for making the Murata was starting, and then was for making the application was giving us notification about we are playing the sound. Okay, that's all.
Okay, my question is uh, how to add some image.
So how do we add some image? So I just explained it before. So how do I add some image? So we just go to the palette. Wait a minute. We just go to the palette. Then after that, we search about the image. We search image, and after that, if you guys see the image, yeah, you guys just can drag and drop it to the font, like I showed to you guys before. And then how do we put the image? So the first, you guys need to upload it first to the Kodular, and after you guys was uploaded to the Kodular, you guys can just choose it the name of the file, and then it will show in the font. Yeah. Next.
Okay, so by you from me the question. So, what is the purpose you make it this app?
What? Sorry.
What is the purpose you make it this app?
So my purpose for make it this app is because I have some project, so I just need to do that. And if I don't get the project, maybe I will do it. But when I see some people in near of me was doing that also, yeah, only that. Okay, maybe that's all from me, and I'm sorry if I have mistakes in my video. Maybe it's a lot of mistakes. I'm sorry because my video was not going pretty good. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.